Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make yogurt from milk. If your milk is slightly past its best-by date, first check for any signs of spoilage like an off smell or curdling. If truly spoiled, discard it. Otherwise, gently heat 1 liter of milk on the stovetop. Stir continuously, bringing the temperature to 180 degrees Fahrenheit. This essential step eliminates unwanted bacteria and prepares milk proteins for optimal yogurt formation. Once your milk has reached 180 degrees Fahrenheit, remove it from the heat and let it cool down. The ideal temperature for adding your starter culture is 110 degrees Fahrenheit. You can use a thermometer to ensure accuracy. Now, incorporate about 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt that contains live active cultures. Stir it in gently but thoroughly, ensuring the starter is evenly distributed throughout the milk. This introduces the beneficial bacteria needed for fermentation. After mixing in your starter, carefully pour the cultured milk into clean, sterilized jars or your yogurt maker. The key to successful yogurt is maintaining a stable temperature during incubation. Keep the mixture at a steady 110 degrees Fahrenheit for 6 to 8 hours. You can use an insulated cooler, an oven with just the light on, or a dedicated yogurt maker. Avoid disturbing the jars during this time to allow the cultures to work their magic. Once the incubation period is complete, your yogurt will look set, but it needs to chill. Transfer the jars to the refrigerator and let them cool for a minimum of 4 hours. This chilling process is essential for the yogurt to firm up and develop its final texture. Your homemade yogurt is now ready to enjoy. You can savor it plain or add fresh fruit, honey, or granola for a delicious and healthy treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.